So I got two codes that are active, and let me see. Show you right here. Number 1, cylinder 1 for injector, and then cylinder misfire detected. Cylinder 4, cylinder 1 again. And when I did the cylinder cutoff test at a cold start, those two cylinders were the ones that weren't making a difference in like RPMs or like making the engine seem like rough idle. I checked all the other cylinders and they acted like they should, where you cut them off and it runs a little bit different. So we went ahead and checked with the customer, because for the miles right there, 302,000 miles, and they have it covered under warranty. So this probably took about like 10 minutes just to check. I'm gonna show you right now just the note again that I left in the front for the dealership. I don't know if it's gonna help, but just so then they know. So I'll go ahead and leave this in the truck, and hopefully it helps them.